Bonjour à tous, good morning children. I will tell you a story. There are small children, they are playing in the street. Suddenly one lady came and she is talking to the another person. Do you know this person? And she asked, yeah, I know about this person. He is so and so, and she just described about those persons. Okay, ma'am. So in this lesson also, like this only, we are going to see there are someone who is going to talk about someone else. Let us see who are the person talking about whom. I just read the text and explain you.
Vous connaissez ce jeune homme qui habite 54 rue de École? This is also question. Do you know a young boy who lives in the door number 54 in School Street? Someone asking to someone else that whether you know this person, whether you know who is this person who is living in the in this house, in this place. Eh bien, il s'appelle Anish. He is Anish. He is Anish. Il est l'ami de Manuel. He is a friend of Manuel. Il est beau, intelligent et sympathique. He is handsome, intelligent and nice person, kind person. Sympathic has two meaning, nice or kind person. Il est beau, he is handsome guy, is intelligent and sympathic person. Il parle très bien le français, mais il n'a pas français. That means he speaks French so nice, or he speaks French well, but he is not a French boy or French nationality. Il a an excellent professeur de français. He has an excellent professor, French professor. He has an excellent French professor. Il sait aussi le hindi et l'anglais. He also knows Hindi and English. Il est indien. He is Indian. He is an Indian nationality. Il vit en France avec sa famille depuis 4 ans. He lives in France since 4 years with his family. He lives France with his family since 4 years. That means past continuous tense. Depuis last 4 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடிலேருந்து இப்போ வரைக்கும் அங்கே தான் இருக்காங்க அப்படின்ற மாதிரி. So, Père travaille à Rome. Rome, it is a city like Paris, Lyon, we already know. Rome also, it is one of the city in France. Son père travaille. Travaille na work. His father working in Rome. Il est directeur d'une banque. Director we already learned last year. Director means manager. Manager in bank is a bank manager. Il est directeur d'une banque. That means he is a bank manager. Sa mère travaille comme secrétaire. Secrétaire I already told you. It is like a P in manager, assistant. Assistant there will be a secretary. Mostly for the job, mostly they prefer lady staff. Okay, va? Lady staff, secretary. Rarely they will have gent staff also. Secretary. Their work is to check their mails, emails, and answering to the mail. And meeting, when do they have meeting, certain details they will collect and they will note down it. Okay, secretary, that is the job called secretary, their profession. Sa mère travaille comme le secrétaire. À Windsor, he has a sister. Elle s'appelle Nega. She is, or her name is Nega. À 6 ans, she is 6 years old. Elle est belle. Elle est jolie avec les cheveux longs et frisés. That means she's pretty. Small girls we will say prettiest one. Pretty, cute we will say, isn't it? So jolie means pretty. Elle est jolie avec. Avec na with her cheveux longs et frisés. That means long hair, which is frisé means curly hair. Frisé na curly hair. Anish fait
beaucoup de sport. Anish play lots of sports. Anish fait beaucoup de sport. He plays lots of sports. Il aime faire du cricket et de la natation. He likes to play cricket and natation. Natation means swimming. Il sait nager. Nager not to swim. He knows to swim. Nega aime faire de la danse. Indian. That means Indian dance. She knows to, or she likes to dance Indian, like a classical dancer, like Indian traditional dancer. She likes to dance traditional. Regarder la télévision, and she likes to watch the TV. Lire des bandes dessinées. Bande dessinée, it means comic books. There will be cartoon pictures. There will be small letters, dialogues, conversation. So that is called comic book. You know comic book, how it is. Bande dessinée means comic book. She reads comic books. Ils ont un petit chien noir. They have a small black colored dog. Okay, wow, small black colored dog. They have a small black colored dog. Il s'appelle Kalu. The name of the dog, it is Kalu. Ils s'habitent dans un grand appartement près de l'école. They are living in a big apartment near to the school, nearby school. Près de école na nearby school. We already in first sentence we know they are living in the school street where the school located. Nearby that they are living. Le soir, Anish et Nega jouent dans le parc avec le chien. Evening time, what they will do, Anish and Nega, they both play together in the park with their dog. Dog, that is Kalu. With the Kalu, they will play. The chien est très mignon. That is, it is a pet, so closed one, deepest one. Okay, pet dog. Mignon, it is for dearest person we will have nickname, isn't it? Mignon, it is a nickname, that is the dearest one. Le chien est très mignon, dearest one. Or next, il aime jouer et faire de longues promenades avec les chiens. They likes to play with the dog and they will have a long walk along with the dog. They have a long walk, but listen to this audio 1 or 2, 3 times and read with the text. With this video, you learn it and then you try to answer these questions. Okay. Now, at last, I will read this text.
Now I will read the text. Carefully listen to the pronunciation and read along with me.
Vous connaissez ce jeune homme qui habite 54 rue de l'école? Eh bien, il s'appelle Anish. Il est l'ami de Manuel. Il est beau, intelligent et sympathique. Il parle très bien le français, mais il n'est pas français. Il a un excellent professeur de français. Il sait aussi le hindi et l'anglais. Il est indien. Il vit en France avec sa famille depuis 4 ans. Son père travaille à Rome. Il est directeur d'une banque. Sa mère travaille comme secrétaire. Il a une sœur. Elle s'appelle Nega. Elle a 6 ans. Elle est jolie avec les cheveux longs et frisés. Anish fait beaucoup de sport. Il aime faire du cricket et de natation. Il sait nager. Nega aime faire de la danse indienne, regarder la télévision et lire des bandes dessinées. Ils ont un petit chien noir. Il s'appelle Kalu. Il habite dans un grand appartement près de l'école. Le soir, Anish et Nega jouent dans le parc avec le chien. Le chien est très... Il aime jouer et faire de longues promenades avec le chien.